Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to correctly order an Uber ride for somebody else. If it's not you and say you have a loved one, a family member, a relative, a friend that needs to have an Uber, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is open your app, and once you are in your app, tap on the enter pickup location on the top option like so, and just enter wherever they are. So for example, our friend is at Arby's in Virginia, right? As you can see here, Arby's, Lee Highway, Falls Church, Virginia. So that is where the Uber driver will go to pick up that person. And say they want to go to, say, 8025 Galleria Drive for some example, McLean, Virginia. So tap on that. And just like any other Uber ride, just choose a ride. You can be Uber X, Saver, Priority, Uber XL, Share, or whatever, right? Whatever option, and then choose it. It's pretty much the same thing as to like booking your own ride. And after that, you can pay for it, and they can pay back how much they owe you. And after that, you'll be good to go. The Uber will go back to where they are. They're going to pick that person up, and they're going to bring that person to the destination point. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.